so here we are in the YouTube homepage. So if I click on the A in the top corner here, top right hand corner, it says your channel. If I click on that, you can see I have a basic page here with home, videos, playlists, channels, discussion, and about. I want to go to customize channel, and as you can see, click on that pencil, edit channel icon. I'm going to edit that. I'm going to go bosh, bish, bash, bosh, upload a picture. Right, so there we go. Look at this, guys. You've got this cropping option here. Make sure you don't go outside it. Just under here, it says set as profile photo. I'm going to set that as my profile photo. Yay! There we go. We've got the profile photo. Let's go back to the channel. I'm gonna hit refresh. There you go. Awesome. You see we've got that there. It's already in place. If we go to add channel art, you can see there, select photo from my computer. Because we created that awesome YouTube art there, you can go crazy with that. Be as creative as you want to on Canva. You can do all sorts of different things with that. But remember, this is a Minecraft channel. So what we need to do is make sure this looks Minecrafty. My head is covering up, adjust the crop. We don't want to adjust the crop. We're okay. Because we use the template. It's really, really quick, really, really smart. And then we're going to press select. That's my new art. We'll give it a minute. There we go. I have some channel art. So that is my channel setup. So next we'll do some keyword research so that we know that people are interested in watching our videos, because you don't want to be like putting a video up and like 2 people and a spider watch it. Okay, we'll see you in the next module.